Did you know that a simple tweak in your income this year could save you thousands in taxes? Let's break down the 2024 tax brackets so you can keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Upbeat background music with animated text. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify finances so you can make smarter decisions. Today, we're diving into the 2024 tax brackets, explained in the simplest way possible so you can maximize your savings and minimize your stress. Camera on presenter or animated explainer style. Taxes are a part of life, but understanding them can feel like decoding a foreign language, right? Not anymore. Let's break it down step by step. Visual of a table of tax brackets, 2024. First, let's talk about how tax brackets work. In the US, we have a progressive tax system. This means the more you earn, the higher your tax rate, but only on the portion of income in that bracket. For 2024, here are the brackets for single filers. 10% on income up to $11,000, 12% on income from $11,001 to $44,725, on 22% on income from $44,726 to $95,375, 24% on income from $95,376 to $182,100, 32% on income from $182,101 to $231,250, 35% on income from $231,251 to $578,125, and finally 37% on income above $578,125 for married couples filing jointly. The thresholds are higher. Don't worry. We'll link a full table in the description. Example with real numbers. Here's an example to make this crystal clear. Let's say you're a single filer earning $50,000 a year. You're not taxed at 22% on the whole $50,000. Instead, the first $11,000 is taxed at 10%. The next $33,125 is taxed at 12%. And only the remaining $5,275 falls into the 22% bracket. This is called marginal taxation. Your effective tax rate, the average rate you actually pay, is much lower than 22%. Understanding this can help you plan better. Tax planning tips. Now, let's talk strategy. Here are some simple but effective tips.
Every dollar you put into a 401k or IRA reduces your taxable income. For example, contributing $6,000 could push you into a lower bracket. Use tax credits. Unlike deductions, which reduce taxable income, tax credits reduce the taxes you owe directly. Look into the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit if they apply, FSAs, or health savings accounts. Contributions to these accounts are tax-free and help you save on medical expenses. If you've lost money on an investment, you can use it to offset taxable gains. Make sure your employer is withholding the right amount of tax. No surprises come April. Tax brackets are updated each year to account for inflation, so even if your income doesn't change, your taxes might. Staying informed helps you make the most of every opportunity. That's a wrap on 2024 tax brackets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this video with someone who needs to save on their taxes this year. And remember, planning ahead today can save you big tomorrow. 2024 tax brackets. Simplified. Save big with these tips. Best titles for YouTube. Ranking. 2024. Tax brackets. Explained how to pay less in taxes this year. 2024. Tax brackets. Maximize your savings with these simple tips. Don't overpay. Learn the 2024 tax brackets and save money. How the 2024 tax brackets work and how to stay in a lower bracket. 2024 tax changes you need to know. Brackets, deductions, and credits.